In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Apollo in HubSpot, a process that can be completed in just 5 minutes. This integration will help you to enhance your CRM capabilities by utilizing Apollo's enrichment features. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot website. If you've saved it as a bookmark or have it handy, that's perfect. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. When prompted, you can select Sign in with Google. This is a convenient option that simplifies the login process. Simply choose your Google account from the options presented to you. Once you've logged into your HubSpot account, direct your attention once again to the top right corner. Here, you'll find an icon labeled Marketplace. Click on that to begin exploring the available integrations and applications. In the new page that loads, click on Apps. It's your gateway to browsing the wide array of tools that can enhance your HubSpot experience. Within the Marketplace, there's a handy search bar which will make your life easier. Type in Apollo and hit Enter. You'll be directed to a list of related options where Apollo Enrichment should appear. When you see it, click on Apollo Enrichment. This is the app that you'll be integrating with HubSpot. Next up is the installation. You'll notice a button that says Install App. Click this, and it will initiate the process of adding Apollo to your suite of HubSpot tools. The installation process is quick and straightforward, designed to have you up and running in no time. Now it's time to log into Apollo. If you're already a user, you can head over to the Apollo login page. Enter your email and password, or if you prefer, just click on Log In to access your existing account. If you've integrated HubSpot via Google, you also have the option to log into Apollo using Google credentials. It's a nice touch to keep everything streamlined. Should you find that you don't yet have an Apollo account, no worries at all. Simply click on the option to sign up. Apollo offers free account creation, which allows you to explore its features before committing. It's a great opportunity to see firsthand how Apollo Enrichment can enhance your CRM experience in HubSpot. And that's it. With Apollo integrated into HubSpot, you're ready to leverage enhanced data enrichment for your CRM activities. This integration will enable your team to function more efficiently with enriched and comprehensive customer data. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore Apollo's capabilities to get the most out of this powerful tool.